Hi, in the last two lectures we learned encapsulation, how to protect class private attributes, and now we're gonna learn class inheritance. Add new class, lecture 21, inheritance, and add main method. Click finish. Today's scenario will be access joint insurance client records. Today's objectives learn parent-child subclassing inheritance. Objective second, utilize extends keyword to inherit. Objective 3, introduce to polymorphism. Many faces. First of all, let's create a class. For now, I will call it class parent. And I will create two class variables. Long policy number and string policy holder. Right now, as all we know already, I'd like to access it. If I'll create parent, and now, because it's open, public, I can access my holder, policy number, and policy holder variables. However, I'd like to extend this class and use this class parent as a basic, as a major class or subclass. Super parent or superclass properly. Now I'd like to create another class, child or subclass. I'm creating another class. I'll call it for now child. So, sorry. So, how can I inherit from parent? It's simple. We utilize extend keyword. And here I will create class child variables. Sorry, I'd like to make it more visible for you, so I'll make it like that. Okay, so right now, as you can see, my child extends parent. Let's see if I'll take a copy from child, not from parent. Parent, parent, I'm substitute for child. And now, subclass here, we're supposed to see all four of them. Policy number, policy holder, policy amount, and policy discount. Now I can set it. Or it would be better if for beginner, I will initialize it right here. Policy amount would be, let's say, 455. And policy discount would be 99.99. Okay, so right now I'd like to display it to show you multiple inheritance. Not sorry, multiple inheritance. Display how tense works. Display how inheritance, how basic inheritance works. Right now, I will be showing insurance policy number and subclass get policy number first of all. Then I'll copy paste it triple time. And next would be holder, insurance policy holder. In here, insurance policy holder. Then insurance policy amount. And here, insurance policy amount, and now insurance policy discount. Sorry, asterisk. Discount and insurance policy discount. Okay. Execute your file, and we got it. This is startup position for our lecture. Right now, I'm showing you how basic parent child or subclassing works. Parent or superclass, child it's same as subclass. Child extended parent and got access to parent internal attributes. Right now, at this moment, I will show you once again the output. Right now, I'd like to clean the console and create it to something meaningful. So, parent class, I'm gonna rename. Insurance policy. Child, I will rename to property policy, which extends insurance policy. I will add another first. Now, I'd like if property policy extends insurance policy, property is like home, summer house, condominium, or anything else. I'd like to create another one. Child. Now I'll copy it, paste, and I'll create automotive. Automotive policy. One is property, one is automotive. However, automotive extends property policy. Here I'll clean it and I'll create it as long as string property type. I'll initialize it to standard home, and as double, I will create property amount. Property amount for insurance amount, and I'll say, let's say for property, $250. Same would be here. Actually, I'll do it like that. Type amount. I'm gonna capitalize it. I'll cut it off meantime. Then I'm gonna place it here. I'd like automotive or policy, extended property policy. Auto type. car and boat. And amount, auto amount. Auto amount, let's say it's gonna be 5. And I'd like to extend drop automotive child policy. This is property child policy, this is automotive child policy. And here I'd like to create another joint policy. Joint policy extends already automotive policy. And in joint policy, I'll probably drop all this to 75. I'll make it flat. Be easier. 250, let's say 350, 25 plus here I'll make it 150, 75. $501 will be. One and policy discount. I'll make $100 flat. So right here we created 4 joint subclass policy. This is joint subclass. Once again, joint policy extends automotive. Automotive policy extends property policy, which is home or condominium. Property policy extends insurance, and insurance is the major or parent policy here. Now I'd like to put everything on display. Obviously, I'm gonna make a copy from joint policy. Joint policy. Now, insurance policy holder. Next would be property type, property amount. Insurance type. Property type. Insurance property amount. This is wrong. Let's see. We go property type. Here would be property amount. Let's copy paste 2 of this. Automotive property type. Automotive property amount. Automotive type. Automotive property amount. Copy paste for joint now. Joint insurance amount and joint insurance discount. Insurance amount discount here. Let me check. Policy amount, policy discount. Policy amount, and here policy discount, right here. Very good. Right click, rerun, and we got exactly what we wanted from the beginning. Displaying, this is from parent class, records. Second two lines from subclass, which is responsible for property insurance. Then let me fix something. Property insurance property types should be here. Property insurance type. Property insurance amount. Property insurance automotive insurance type, automotive insurance amount. Clean, rerun. First of parent class, records. Subclass property, which inherited from parent class. Subclass automotive, which inherited records from property, also from parent. And finally, joint subclass. I should remove this. Okay, which inherited from all of this, from all of the above. Once again, parent class, subclass 1 inherited from parent, subclass 2 inherited from both, subclass 3 inherited from all of this. 1, 2, 3, and joint inherited from all of them. Here is the record. Now you learned multiple classes inheritance and how to use extends keyword. See you in the next lecture.